Okay, good day everyone. So in this video I want to show you how to place orders, how to use the signals. When we post the signals on the groups, the Telegram groups, just simply want to show you how you are going to be placing order. This is for people, majorly for people that are new, because I can see comments in the group. Pretty much some people are new, they don't know how to place these orders for these signals that we are placing. They don't know how to place them, so I quickly want to walk you through. It's very simple, it's not something that is hard. So let's say like the order we placed, the signal I asked people to buy, okay, on card CHF. Okay, as you can see on my screen. So what you want to do is to, you see that buy entry, you see the buy entry, the stop loss, and the TP. Is you want to manage, is to, you want to, sorry, copy these parameters. So what you want to do, when you see me place it, like drop it for on the group, you want to come here and copy it. You copy those parameters first, okay, and then you paste it like you want to chat with someone, so that you can copy one by one. All right, so you copy the first thing you want to copy is the buy entry. Okay, you copy that because that's the buy entry. Then you come to your chart. Okay, don't forget that order is on CADCHF, which is card CHF. So you come here to look for the symbols. As you can see, right click on the left hand side. Card CHF is not here. All right, if you don't see it on your symbol, on the symbol on the app, you don't need to panic. Just come to where the right quotes on the left hand side, still on the this place, you click on it, the quotes, the downward part of the app. Then you click on the plus button at the top, this one right here, you click on it, and then you search, you come and search for that particular instrument. So you see, you do CHF, as you are typing it is coming out. All right, then you click on the plus sign beside it. That means you have added it to your trading, to your app, on the mobile. This for the mobile one. I'm still going to do one for the I'll do one for the laptop, or you are using a desktop. So you come here now, you've added this, then you now have to come back to where the symbols are, and look for them for that particular pair or instrument. So you can see that is the one at the last, is the one last on the list. So you click on it and you pick it. All right, so don't forget that we already copied the price. Anyway, I hope that price that price is still there. So what you want to do is you want to use that price that you copy. All right, you come here and come to where you are going to place that order. You see where there's trade, you come to trade, then you click on this. There's something that looks like an envelope at the top on the right hand side. You click on it. So you're going to look for CADCHF, which is what we are looking for. It's not here yet. Let me go back there. Let me go back to my, okay. So once you get here, the CADCHF that you want to place order for, you can see that is not the one that is showing on the screen. You are seeing GBP USD, but what we want to place order for is CADCHF. All right, so you click on the dollar sign. You don't need to panic, so you just look at the dollar sign, you click on it, and then you pick it. As you can see, it's there, so you pick it, so it has come up. So you are looking for, don't forget, in the previous video that I made, I spoke about the pending order. So you want to the present price that that instrument is right now, if you want to buy, is at 0.5836. The one on the left is 0.5836. That's the present price. So what you want to do is to don't forget that we already copied that price. Let me go and see if that price corresponds to that particular price. Okay, 0.581197. So that means price, in this case, that means price has gone up. So what we want to do is to place a pending order, 581. So what we have here is 583. So that means we are going to be placing order for buy limits. So you see where where they write market execution, you click on it. So you see market limit, you click on that market limit, and then you come to the where the price is, where you want to put the price. There's the price. You see where the right price. So you come there, and then you only simply need to let me see if you can paste this. So you just paste it. You press that place down. You click paste. So that we already paste that price. Okay, the price that we copied from the from the signal group. So you paste it and then you click place. So that's it. It has been done. All right. So buy limit. Why did I place buy limit? Buy limit. If you watch the previous video before this one, you understand. But let me quickly explain it. Your buy limit. What you are saying is that you are placing prices above where you are placing that order. Okay, prices above. Right now price is at 0.583, but the price that you're supposed to place for this particular signal, it has 0.581. That's where price is at 0.58197. But because price has not gotten there, and 581 is lower than 583, right? So that's why we are using buy limits. If the price is above, if the limit order for this particular instrument is above where price is right now, that means what you're going to do where we place this buy limit is going to be buy stop. All right. So I've already placed that. Is there. So don't forget that we also still have the stop loss. So you come here and copy the stop loss as well. I copy the stop loss, then I go back. Then that means what we want to do now is to modify this order. Okay, so you tap on it and then you hold it down. So when you hold it down, it's going to tell you, do you want to delete that order? Do you want to modify it? Modify means you want to adjust that order so that you can put your stop loss and your take profit. So you click on modify order. All right. So after you click on modify order, so what you want to do is to put your stop loss. You see where they write SL on the left and TP on the right. So you come there and you see, because I already copied it. So you just tap it. Okay, once you copy or you put your hand and press it down on your phone, it's going to pop. It's going to ask you to paste. Then you click on paste, just like the same way we pasted the price. So now for the TP, the take profit, that means when price gets to where you want price to get to, the first order that we first place, and then it goes to your TP, that means you take profit. At that point, that means you make money. So let me go back to the signal. So you come to the signal and copy the very first one, which is the TP one. So you copy it, okay, and then you come back here and then you place it there. All right. So that means you have your stop loss and your TP. Now then you click modify. All right. So it's done. So that's it. So what this means that when price gets there, when price gets to where we want the price to get to at that particular at 5813, let me go back there, pardon, at 58197, 0.58197. So price market is going to trigger, and so it will take you into the market and you start trading. All right. So that is that on how to place your order, okay, for buy. And I'd already done for buy and sell. You watch the previous video. I've done the sell limit, I did the buy stop, and I did the buy stop. So the next so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you to for desktop or laptop. It's the same thing if you are using a laptop or you are using a desktop. Some people, I can see some people are saying they don't normally trade on their phone. They want to understand how do they place trade on their desktop or on their laptop. So I'm going to we're going to go there now. I'm going to get my laptop and do that short video as well. All right, just hang around. All right, so welcome back. Like I mentioned, that I'll switch to the computer for people that said they use their computer to trade. So what you want to do when you get to your computer, let's say just the same thing that we did on mobile, the same thing. you now this is what your computer platform will look like. And by the way, I am on this is MT5. All right. So on MT5, you want to place an order, and let's say we already placed a I already placed the signal, sorry, on on the group, on the Telegram or WhatsApp, depending on where you are. And then I'm saying place an order for GBP USD. This is our GBP USD. By the way, I'm doing this video. My market has closed, so we might not be able to see how I'll not be able to place an order, but I'll just walk you through what you need to do step by step. So this is pounds USD. All right. I already have it on my own system. Let's say peradventure you can't find pounds USD on your market watch. This is your market watch, right? So what you need to do is to go add it. You come here and you see where my cursor is right now, where they write click to add. You click on that plus button. All right, then you search for that particular instrument. Let's say GBP USD. You do GBP USD, but because I already have it there, so it will come out like this. So you just click it, that's it, then you click add. So you are there. So you see that it will be added. So then you can go pick it. But because I already have it here, I already added it. So I won't see it because it's already there. Anyway, that's by the way. So what you want to do, let's say I've said, okay, buy pounds USD. You go and copy that parameter from the groups on the Telegram channel or on WhatsApp. So you go there and copy it and you come here. You see where my cursor is, where we have new order. So you click on new order and then you put in if I say buy now, there's some signals you say buy now. So you just click on buy by the market. You click on by the market, all right? Okay, if the order, of course, I'll put take profit and stop loss. So you come here and enter that stop loss. Let's say I say buy now. So you come here, let's say I say stop loss for pounds USD. If you are buying, that means your stop will be below. Let's say I'm saying you should buy, let's say price is here around 1.32520, and I say put a stop loss of 20. I already put it there. So you don't even need to start cracking your brain because I would have put it there on the stop loss. So you just go there and copy and then you paste Control V. Okay, if you want to type, you just write 1.325, or that would be 1.3, let's say 1.32 1000. I'm just saying for stop loss. And then we enter 1.3250. So we'll do 1.32 um let's say 5 um pardon me. So 1.32590. Then you click buy. So if immediately you click buy, you take you inside the market directly. All right, that's for instant order. As you can see, we have market execution is here. All right. If it's a pending order, like the one I did on the mobile, you come here and pick a pending order. Don't forget we did a buy limit. And don't forget what buy limit actually means. Buy limit means that price is above the current where price is right now is above the price at which you want to buy. Okay, that means you are saying that when price comes down, it should take you in. So that one is for buy limit. I already explained this in the other video on how you can connect your MT5. I I think somehow during the process of the onboarding, they must have given you that video as well. I don't want this video to be too long. So that's what buy limit means. So you go there just like I did on the mobile. You put your volume, how many at what depending on your depending on your trading capital. Okay. So you put your volume here, say 0 point whatever you want to purchase, then at the price that I say you should put. So you go to the group, you copy just like the same thing you did on mobile. You go there and paste it here, you go copy it. The stop loss, you do the same thing, you go copy, you paste it, take profit, you copy it and paste it. So that's for buying. For self stop, same thing, you do the same thing, you go put the price, go copy it and put it there. For buy stop, you do the same thing. All right. So that is, I don't want this video to be too long.
All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.